This mat's called the missing numbers placemat, and it essentially is what it's called, missing numbers. So each of these rows add up to 20. And so your students can have equal 20, or you can do any variation below that, right? Equal 18, equal 9, equal 10, whatever you want them to have. The point of this is so that kids can find missing add-ins and just see what's there. You can do 2 add-ins or 3 add-ins. So I'll do 20 with 2 add-ins. And so essentially the kids will color it all the way into where they want to stop, and then color the rest in. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 plus 7 is 20. I can do the reciprocal. I can do 7 plus 13 is 20. I can also do 3 different add-ins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do it that way. You can, as a teacher, go ahead and color some of these in and have students find the missing add-in, whatever way you'd like to play with it. It can also be for the back end. If this is for addition, we can flip it and do activities with subtraction as well.